differences are major. When you're doing new construction windows on a home, oftentimes you're looking at whatever kind of window was the cheapest for the builder to buy. You're not getting the same energy efficiency, the same quality, and you're certainly not getting a high quality installation. Sad but true, new construction is really all about cost savings. So are your windows going to protect your brand new home? Yes, for a period of time, typically not that long. I like to compare it to tires on a vehicle. Have you ever noticed when you go and buy a new vehicle, your tires only last about 10,000 miles? Pretty wild. You got to get new tires. When you get those new tires, they're going to last for 80,000 miles. I don't know why it is, but that's just how it goes with windows as well. You're going to get a okay, decent window on your new build home, but within 5 to 7 years, maybe 10 if you're lucky, you're probably going to be looking at replacing those windows. So when you go to replace your windows, what are the big things you're going to get on replacement windows? You're going to get high quality, durable frames. You're going to get insulated glass. You're going to get good energy efficiency, and you're going to get a high quality installation with windows that are fit tight for the frame and in a way that is protecting the energy efficiency of your home, protecting the interior of your walls, directing water away from the home. It's pretty ironic, but on a $700,000 home, you may end up with windows that don't last and don't work as well, whether those are vinyl windows or composite windows. Oftentimes the operation will break. You won't see the same energy efficiency. When it comes to replacing those windows, you're going to get new windows with operation that's going to not only last for a really long time, but be backed by warranties. When it comes to a new construction home, your warranty is a year or 2 years at best. With Bellwether, you're gonna get a lifetime workmanship warranty, but you're also gonna get high quality durable products like Pella Reserve windows, Pella Lifestyle windows, Pella's Impervia windows. These products tend to have lifetime warranties on the frames.